Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have some more entries to my giveaway. I was going to film them in the previous video, but it ended up being too much and I didn't want the video to be too long, so I will be finishing it off on this video. And yeah, let's get on with that. So the first entry that I want to show you guys is from Karen, and she is Small Crafts Big Fun here on YouTube. This is her memory decks card. How super cute is this? So different and unique. That's what I like to see, you guys. Your art, your craft, everybody has a unique way of crafting, and I love to see the differences. Beautiful. So that is her memory decks card. Let me see, hold on one second. She also sent me this cute little envelope, and I don't know if it has something inside. I don't think it does. I think she just made it like a little pocket, and it says Lily 5,000. You guys know I hit my 5K. That's the reason for the challenge, and I'm almost at 6,000. I can't believe it, you guys. She also sent me some bows. Thank you so much for those. And then, you guys, this is her card. She left me a note telling me that it's an easel card, but I won't be taking it out of the packaging. But look how cute the mermaid is. I love it. The little seashell. Beautiful. I got a few easel cards so far in my challenge that you guys have sent me. So that's one of the entries. Next entry up is from Esther Luca, and she sent me some super fun pom-pom trim. I spoke to her on, well, on Instagram, because I had made a post of where to find this, and she hit me up and she sent it to me, you guys. Isn't that awesome? Thank you so much, Esther. You didn't have to do that, but I 100% appreciate it. She sent me this cute little card. Isn't that adorable? I could tell she did that herself. She's very good at coloring. Super cute. She sent me this cute little envelope. And in here, well, not an envelope, like a little treat bag. She sent me some little die cuts. These right here, she labeled that they're stickers. And then these are cute little fox die cuts, which are perfect for fall. You guys, I'm so excited for fall. Look at those. So cute. And then here you go, you guys. Here is her memory decks card, and she used that super cute little fox. Sorry if the lighting is off. It's super late and it's like gloomy outside. She's _Esther Luca on Instagram. So that's her memory decks, and here is her handmade card. It's also a cute little shaker. It says hello. Look at that little unicorn. Thank you so much, Esther, for the pom-pom trim, for your entries, the extra little goodies. Next up, we have Corinne, and she... Hold on, I don't want to make sure I don't show anything. She's Happy Mail by Corinne. I hope I pronounced that right. And I've seen her work. I follow her. I love her work. Look at her memory decks card. It's a super cute little shaker card. How adorable is that? I love that. How fun. Super cute. Thank you, girly. Thank you for answering. She sent me some sequins. Look at that mix. How beautiful. With my favorite little Hobby Lobby trim. And then she sent me this cute little bag with the little cut apart from the, I forgot the name of the collection, but it's one of my favorites. And she sent me some cute little gems. Thank you so much for those. Can never have too many of those. And then lastly, here's her handmade card, you guys. Look how beautiful this is. This is her envelope, and this is her card. And it's like one big seashell shaker. This is amazing. But it gets better, you guys. Yes, I did take a sneak peek. Are you guys ready? This is the seashell, and when it opens up, look at that. Is that not beautiful? Girl, this is adorable. Look at that. I love this. It's like a little pop-up card. I love it. I love it. You did so good. Thank you so much, girly, for your extras, for entering. Thank you. I am a fan of yours as well. I love your work. I've seen it. I've seen it all over Instagram. And yeah, that's that entry. Thank you so much. And then next entry is from let me see, where's this one from? I think I ripped out the part. This is all the way from Canada. Oh, this is from, her name is Jen LaQuesta, and she's BB or Bebe underscore Quest, BB underscore Quest. How cute is this little packaging? Look at this, you guys. So cute, all the way from Canada. And she's got this cute little doily. I think I don't know if I follow her too, or I've seen her work. Some of you guys, I've seen you, and I follow you guys. Let's see what we have here. You guys are all talented. I try to, don't have the time. I have the time to like post stuff up, but I don't have the time to scroll and scroll and scroll. But when I do get the opportunity to see you guys, I definitely follow. You guys are so cute when you like DM me that you can't believe I'm following you. I'm regular just like you guys. Talented just like you guys. Crafter just like you guys. And I follow as many as I can. Jen LaQuesta, Instagram BB Quest. Here is her memory dex card, and it's this super cute little shaker with a little stamp. Isn't that cute? Oh, she made me a few cards. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Girl, thank you so much. She sent me a few cards. Look at this one. So cute. Let me see her. This is her little card. And let me see. Aw, that's so sweet. I'm so glad that I got your creative flows going. And then this is her handmade card, you guys. Look how adorable this is. It's a shaker as well. That's her envelope. Absolutely beautiful, Jen. Thank you so much. And then I don't know what this is. I think this is another card that she made. Yeah, I think this is like an, oh yeah, it's like another little card right here. Look at that, you guys. It's like a cute little card, and you fold it, and then that's the envelope. That is so cute. I love that. Or I think that these were just goodies for me because, I don't know. I'm confused. Oh yeah, no, these are the little goodies. Those are the, she just sent me the cards, extra cards, and then, I'm a hot mess, you guys. She sent me these cute little goodies in here. She made a little pocket. She sent me some shakers. How cute. And then in here, she made another little pocket. Oh, you guys, look how cute these little spoons. That is adorable. And then this cute little tag. She spoiled me, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for entering. Thank you for the goodies. Thank you for everything. I absolutely love it. Okay, so we got all this going on here. And then on to the next one. We have FVA Nails and More. Okay, let me just put this here. And her name is Farisha, and I think her Handle is the FV Nails. I'll have her tagged down below. I'll have all the ladies tagged down below. But here is her cute little handmade card. I think this is her handmade card, because there's 2 of them here. So I think she made me 2. There's this one. Super cute. A friend told me I was delusional. I almost fell off my unicorn. That's so cute. And I like how she did that. Look at the little handle. Isn't that adorable? I like that. And then here's another handmade card with the cute little mermaid and the glitter mermaid tail. And then we have her memory decks card. Super cute. The little mermaid and the little glitter accents. I love it. I love the packaging. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. I'm telling you, amazing. Next entry is, this is an international, and it's from Becky Tinsley, and she's all the way from the UK, you guys. Okay, let me take everything out. Put that there. And, ooh, we got some 3D stickers. Look at these stickers, you guys. Cute. We got a cute little mermaid, like, notebook set. I love this. So cute. So interesting to see, like, stuff from, like, the UK. She made me some cute little bows. You guys know I love me some bows. Absolutely love them. She sent me this cute little rainbow cutout with the little googly eyes. So cute. She sent me candy Maltesers. Yummy. You guys know I love me my snacks. She also sent me some ribbon. Look at that. That's perfect for Halloween. Love it. Thank you so much, Becky. And let's look at her card. This is her card to me. Aw, look at that. How cute. She's boo_tin on Instagram. I'll have her link down below. Thank you so much, Becky. Oh, your card is so sweet. And thank you for telling me about yourself. She also sent me this amazing mermaid bag. Look at that. It's like holographic. So cool. It has a bunch of seashells on it. Let's see what we have here. That bag is so cool. So she made me a cute little handmade tag. Look at that. How cute. Here's another one on the other side. I love it. Don't worry, be happy. And then you guys, here are her entries. This is her memory decks card. It's a seashell with all the cute little mermaids. Love the way she decorated her packaging. Super cute. And then we have her handmade card right here, which is a shaker behind some vellum. Look at all the detail, you guys. Beautiful. I love that she decorated everything. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Becky, for all the goodies, for entering my giveaway. And then you guys, we have one more to show. And this is from, okay, let me find Andrea Munoz, and she is Crafty Mom of 2. And you guys, look at this amazing package she sent my way. She sent me this, and she sent me this. Yes, you guys, can you believe it? Total spoiling over here. So first, let's go through what she put in this bag. Oops. She had this cute little, like, decorative like that with the little seashell. And then in here, there also was this little envelope that she made. And in here, she just made me a bunch of boxes. Look at that, you guys. She die cut a bunch of little boxes for me. I think they're boxes. And they're all the little pieces inside. So cute. So fun. Can't wait to put those together. And then you guys, look, this little pouch, how cool is this? It's actually a little canvas. Like a little canvas box. Isn't this adorable? Look at this. I love this. And it's one of those, like the moving sequence that you like move. I think it is, right? Yep, you move it this way. And then you move it this way. How fun is that? Isn't that cool? Thank you so much for that. That's so fun. I freaking love it. So cool. So she sent me some beads. She sent me embroidery thread, some pastel colors, some mixed in with white. Look at these. These are so fun. And I love getting stuff from Daiso because I don't have a Daiso. So that's always amazing. And look at this little banner with this little tassel. It says, "Work that crown." This is so cute. I'm gonna have to incorporate this in my room somehow. She cut me out some mermaids, a bunch of little die cuts. Thank you, Andrea. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She sent me a bunch of little gems. These are butterflies. Look at these, how cool. These are fun. I like these. And then in this little baggie right here, which is super cute. I have these bags. I love them. Let me just close it this way. She also sent me an L with the cute little mermaid pattern. I was gonna say panel. Pattern. Look at that. How fun is that? You guys, she made me like this cute little box. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Look how detailed she made it. Look at the mermaid. And inside, she incorporated some goodies. She gave me some sequins, some clips. She made me some bows. And you guys, I am obsessed with this paper. I've seen a couple of you guys use it. I need it. I think it's in Hobby Lobby. I definitely need that paper. And look, you guys, some washi tape from Daiso with little hearts on it. I love these bows. That paper is so beautiful. Look at these butterflies. And then some more little sequins. Thank you so much, Andrea, for sharing with me and making all these goodies for me. They're so beautiful, and I will treasure it forever. And then lastly, let's look at her entries, you guys. Here is her handmade card. Look at that. It says one of a kind. I love that. I love the ombre effect in the back, the embossing. Beautiful. That's her handmade card. And this is her memory decks card. Look at that luscious hair on that mermaid. Love it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, you guys, that is all the amazingness that you guys have sent my way. Thank you guys for being so generous and super kind, super sweet, and entering my giveaway challenge. Giveaway is still open till August 31st. Winner will be announced September 2nd. So if you still want to enter and you haven't, I'll leave the link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.